Hi there everybody, my name is Richard McMunn from the career guidance company howtobecome.com, and in this next video we are going to cover abstract reasoning test questions and answers. I've been inundated with requests for more of these. I've already done a few videos of these, but you're asking for more questions, so here they are. Let's get straight into it with the first question. So I'm going to teach you how to answer this, give you some tips, and then I'm going to get you to try them. So we'll work through a number of different abstract reasoning test questions to help you pass your test. Question number 1. Which answer option, A, B, C or D, completes the grid? So with regards to completing the grid, we need to know what goes there, where the question mark is. And we're given 4 options here. So it's multiple choice, A, B, C or D. So what we're looking for is sequences and patterns, and we can already see some straight away. So if you look at this column here, you'll notice that it's got a white outer shape and all the ones in the center are black. Then it alternates in the middle, so you've got outer black shape and inside is a white one, and then on the left it's all white. So it makes it quite easy to answer when you look for those sequences. So if we look at this area here across the top, you will see there that we also have 5-sided outer shapes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then inside we have triangles which are 3-sided internal shapes. Then also if we look to the left there, as I've already mentioned, the shapes in the left hand column are all white, both outer and internal. So we can quickly look across here and see there's only one of them that it can be, simply, and that is answer A. So it can't be anything else. And when you practice loads of these, you become really, really fast at them. Let's have a go at another one. So I'd like you guys to try one. Now it's your turn. Please put your answer to abstract reasoning question number 2 in the comments section below the video for marking. Okay, and I'll come on here each day and answer them for you. So the question is, which answer option, A, B, C or D, completes the grid? So there's the answer. Sorry, there's the grid, and you have to decide what goes there, where the question mark is. And your answer options are A, B, C or D. I've got a timer here, so I'm going to set the timer off, and you've got about 12 seconds to work through this. If that's not enough time, and I do admit that's very short time to work through it, you will get longer than that in the real test, probably about 20 seconds. But put yourself under pressure. But if you do need more time, please do pause the video. It's important you get the question right. So a couple of tips here. What to look out for, clues. If you look across here, across that row and that row and that row, there is in each one black squares, top left, bottom right. There's 2 black on the top row there and 2 on the right row going down. So that gives you a clue of what to look out for. So you've got 12 seconds to answer that and put your answer to question 2, A, B, C or D, in the comments section below the video. Off you go. Okay, well done. So hopefully you got the right answer. Like I say, I'll come on and mark them each day. So that's question 2. Question number 3. Have another go at this. Right, let's work through this one together. So this is a different kind of abstract reasoning test question. We can see here that we've got 4 squares, and it says there in the top left that that shape is to that, the one on the right, as that shape is to what? We have to work out what goes there. So there are the answer options, A, B, C or D. So how do we calculate this? Well, again, we need to just simply look for sequences or changes in the shapes, patterns or even the colours. Okay, so you will notice the moon-shaped image, which is there, is flipped horizontally to the right and the colours are inverted. So if we look at that moon shape there, you'll notice on the right hand side that it's flipped horizontally and the colours are inverted. So it goes from a white moon to a black moon and it's inverted like that there. So then if we look at the bottom row, all we have to do is apply the same principle from the top to the bottom, which is relatively simple. So to find the correct answer, we simply repeat the process below. So if you look at this arrow, it's white and it's pointing to the left and it's got a black circle. Well, all we need is a white circle with a black arrow pointing to the right. And the only answer option that it can be is C. Okay, so again, it's just looking for a sequence or change in the shapes, patterns or colours. Okay, so now it's your turn. Please put your answer to question 4 in the comments section below the video for marking. By the way, I hope you do enjoy these videos that I create for you. Please give it a thumbs up if you do like it below the video. I would very much appreciate that, very much so. Okay, question 4. So we've got the timer again. So have a go at this. So it says this shape option here is to this, as that is to that, question mark. Okay, and there are the answer options. So just look at this here with the black dots at the bottom, the black shapes, and then you've got the three outer ones and the three inner ones. So what is happening to that shape? It's staying the same virtually, but those colours are changing. They're being inverted. So do the same on that one and put your answer of what would go there, A, B, C or D. And here's your timer. Okay, well done. So like I say, the important thing is just to practice loads of these. It's really important just to work through them. And if you need to pause the video because I'm not giving you that long, then please feel free to do so. Have another go at one of those. Okay, the good practice for you. Please put your answer to question 5 in the comment section below the video for marking. Here we go. So a similar thing here. So this shape here, this is a harder one. This shape here with the colour is to that one as that is to what? You have those 4 options, A, B, C or D. So I'll give you a little clue. If you look at this shape there, it's the same as that one on the right, but it's turned upside down. Okay, it's turned upside down. On that side, you have one black element. On that side, you have 2 elements. Okay, so you've got the time it takes, the timer to go down to put your answer to question 5 in the comment section below. This is a tough one, by the way. So if you get this right within the time limit, you're doing really well. Here we go. Okay, brilliant stuff. Well done. Question number 6. Here we go. Something different now. This is about cubes and nets. So I'll tell you what a net is. So that's the net there. And we're looking down on that. And the idea is if you make that up into a 3D shape, you will get a cube, which looks like that. So you'll notice that on each corresponding side, each square, you have different patterns. And the question is which cube from A, B, C or D can be made from this net here on the left-hand side. So how do we work this out? This is the best way to do it. Step 1, choose 2 sides of the net, any 2, and look for them on the cube, on each of these cubes. And the chances are you might start at A and you might get the right answer, so you don't have to work through the rest of them. Step 2, use a process of elimination until you get the correct answer. So let's do this with this one. So if we choose 2 sides, we're going to choose the one with the white arrow pointing downwards, and we're going to choose the one with these black dots, top left, bottom right, okay? And then what we'll do is let's start off and look at A. Because if you look there, it's got the white arrow at the top and the 2 dots there, top left, top and bottom right, which is there straight away. So you can see those 2 dots which are there. So we know they're there and the white arrow is behind it. Then if we look at the shape to the right, that is actually that exact shape there on the right hand side. So therefore the correct answer to question number 6 is simply A, and it's the first one that we've come to, and that can happen sometimes. You know, you might not have to work through the rest of them. You get there and you know, that's the right answer. Let's move on. Okay, so these are quite tough, but now it's your turn again. Please put your answer to question 7 in the comment section below the video for marking. Which cube can be made from the net? So there's your net. So if you look, you've got a grey circle in the middle, then you've got 4 black outer circles and 1 white one there. So there's your answer options A, B, C or D. Which cube, A, B, C or D, can be made from that net? And you've got the time it takes the timer to run down to put your answer in the comment section below. Thank you. Here we go. Okay, well done, brilliant. Have another go. Please put your answer to question 8 in the comment section below the video for marking. This is a little bit tougher, this one. See if you can get it right. Which cube, A, B, C or D, can be made from the net? So you've got one large circle there, and then you've got different square sides with different numbered black small circle dots on there. Okay, so you've got the time it takes the timer to go down to put your answer to question 8 in the comment section below. Here we go. Fantastic, brilliant. Okay, question number 9, moving on to a different kind of abstract reasoning test question. Which figure comes next in the series? So you've got 1 there, 2, 3, 4, and then what we need to work out what comes next in that series, in the sequence, okay? And we have these options, is it A, B, C or D? Now when you look at this on the screen, it looks confusing because there's all these different arrows, but it's relatively simple to answer. So all we need to do is to do a process of elimination. And you get really quick at these. So if we take that element there, you can see that there is a black arrow, that shape there at the bottom, and they all sort of repeat themselves, and I can see a pattern straight away. So if we look at that black arrow pointing up, it then moves down one place, then moves down another place. So we're actually looking for that shape to be there at the top, okay? Needs to be there at the top. So it's not B straight away. We can eliminate B straight away. So then what we do is we move on to the next part, which is that part there, and we look for a pattern there. And immediately I can see that we've got that white arrow pointing down, and then it's moving to the right, and then it will go up. So we're actually looking for it to be there in that position. Okay, so therefore the correct answer can only be A, because you've got that black one there at the top and the white one moving down. So the correct answer is A. So it's easy for me to say, oh, this is easy, but when you practice these, you'll get really good at them. Okay, so now it's your turn. Please put your answer to question 10 in the comments section below the video for marking. Which figure comes next in the series? So you've got the options A, B, C, and D. Just do what I've just showed you in question 9, and I bet you get this correct. Here's the timer. Okay, well done. Question number 11. Have another go. Please put your answer to question 11 in the comments section below, a similar one. Which figure comes next in the series out of A, B, C, or D? And don't forget to look for patterns and sequences. Work through it. Let's see if you get it correct in the time limit. Off you go. Fantastic, well done. Okay, if you would like more of these, I hope you did enjoy that video. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button below. Also, if you have a look in the description below the video, I've put links to 3 more abstract reasoning test videos with different questions on there that you can try. Also, if you'd like free access to psychometric tests, please go to the website mypsychometrictest.com or click the link below the video. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, I very much appreciate that. And I wish you all the very best for passing your psychometric test, guys. Have a brilliant day and thank you for watching.